I thought I'd do a quick video on how to fix these sprinklers because I couldn't find anything on YouTube. These are turbo hammer sprinklers that work on a low pressure, and that one's turning round alright. And I don't know if you can see this one here, it just doesn't want to go round, so we'll take it down and have a look at it. So I don't know if you can see, the water goes in through that hole up there, comes out of this little green bit, bashes into these and drives this round, and as this goes round, this little hammer mechanism here hits into that sort of upright pillar, which is what drives that round and turns the sprinkler. This one's been sat here all winter. There's sort of algae and stuff building up in there. The whole thing's a bit dirty. There might be a little bit of grit in there. This is fed from a stream, not mains water, so it's not really clean. So the first thing I'm going to do is soak it. So next I'm going to clean it all up. I've got a toothbrush to sort of clean there, and then in this gap between the hammer and the kind of spinny thing, I might get a bit of wire or the blade of a knife and clean up all in that. And then the last thing is some really thin wire, and I push it down through the green bit and back out of here to clean that, and then blast a jet of water in through the top to push out any grit or anything. So I'll try doing that, see how it goes. Yeah, I forgot to say, I'm going to get a piece of wire and put it down in there. I don't know if you can make this out. There's a spring in there, and next to the spring you get a build-up of stuff down in this, and that's actually the bit that turns. So I'll get this little thin bit of wire and try and clean that out. There we go, all cleaned. We'll see if it makes any difference. Yeah, quite a lot better that is.